Hello kids. Today let's interpret the graph of function. So you can see two graphs. First graph is straight line graph and second graph is parabola graph. So first graph, whether it is linear or not. So you can say yes, it is linear as it is a straight line. Straight line means it's a linear graph. So you can say yes. Line of symmetry. Here, if you cut this line into half, if you fold up, it will not overlap. So you can say there is no line of symmetry. And if you cut horizontally also, and if you want to fold up, then also it will not overlap. So there is no line of symmetry. Whether graph is positive, where it is positive. So as you can see, let's assume that this point is -3. All the points above on x-axis having positive value. So that means all the values which is greater than -3 having values positive. So this is positive, and negative means all the values which is below the x-axis having value negative. So we can say x is less than all the values which is less than -3 having negative value. Whether this graph is increasing or not. So you can say yes, all the points are increasing. If you see -3, it's 0. -2 will be something positive value. -1 will be more positive. At 0, it is 3. 1, it is more. So it's increasing. So all points are increasing. Is it decreasing? No, as all points are going up in. So none of them point are decreasing. Now let's see another graph. Whether it is linear or not. No, it's not linear. It's not a straight line, it's a curvy graph and it's a parabola. Line of symmetry. So if you cut this parabola into half, so they will overlap. Yes, you can say there is a line of symmetry. And actually line of symmetry is here. This is the y-axis, the line of symmetry. So you can say here this point is x equal to 0. So line of symmetry is x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, there is a line equation of line of symmetry. Positive. So all positive means the graph which is above the x-axis. So you can see this graph, which is this part of the graph is above the x-axis having positive value. So this is -3, and if it is 3, so you can say all the points which is greater than -3 but less than 3 having positive value, and negative value which is below to the x-axis that is having negative value. So negative value, you can say that all the points x less than -3, all the points which is having less than -3, and all the points which is having greater than 3 having negative values. Increasing. So you can see this side is increasing. This graph is increasing till x equal to 0. So you can say from interval, this is -infinity till 0. So from -infinity till 0, graph is increasing. And from 0 to infinity, graph is decreasing. This side, graph is coming down. What do you mean by increasing and decreasing? Well, if value is increasing, when x point is here, its value is here. When x point is here, the value will increase, and so on. Here value will increase. But after that, its value is decreasing at 1 more or less, at 2 more or less, at 4 more less. So value is decreasing from 0 to infinity. So I hope you understood the interpretation of graph. Bye.